Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today, we're based on Adobe Photoshop Beta, and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I'd like to do today, guys, is show you how you can apply a DuoTone effect with just one click in the new Adobe Photoshop Beta software. Basically, what they've done is they've introduced a new update onto the beta version of Photoshop, and they've introduced something called parametric filters. And basically what they're a cool, powerful filters that we can apply to our imagery. So just take the steps that I show you today, and I guarantee you'll be able to create something really cool, fresh, and modern. So with that layer highlighted, I'm now going to come up to filter. And as you can see here, we have parametric filters. And then what happens is your parametric filters window will open, and you've got all of these to choose from. But as you can see there, we have duotone. So if I click onto the duotone filter, any second now, it will apply a duotone filter like so. Now, the benefit of this, guys, you're able to manipulate and change the filter itself through the parametric properties. So what I'm going to do is come to high and change that to high. And basically, as you can see, you can change the colors as well. So we may change the purple color here. Just click on it. Let's go for a sort of a dark blue kind of vibe. It may take a couple seconds, guys, to appear, but as you can see, a really cool looking effect there. I may come through and change the top one. Let's go for sort of a reddy kind of color and really manipulate and change the actual filters itself. I may have made it a little bit lighter, to be honest. Let's go for sort of a pinky kind of color. Yeah, maybe a little bit more color towards it. But you can see, guys, you can just edit and change and manipulate the filters as you go through. May come through and change this one here. Let's go for sort of a dark red kind of vibe. Really, really switch it up. Wonderful. And there you have it, guys. That's how you can create a simple duotone effect with one click in Adobe Photoshop Beta. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.